Ahead of the next year's assembly polls in Tamil Nadu, main opposition DMK seems to be headed for a war of brothers. DMK patriarch M. Karunanidhi's eldest son, MK Alagiri, is now mulling to launch his own political party. Speaking to India Today, MK Alagiri has said that as of now, no such decision has been taken, but confirms that any such move will be made only after holding discussions with his supporters. Alagiri's independent course may impact the younger brother Stalin's political future as the chief of the DMK. Meanwhile, possible names are doing the rounds that, in fact, Alagiri may just name his party as Kalaignar DMK or KDMK. It is also being learned that Alagiri may meet Home Minister Amit Shah when he visits Chennai on November 21st. Tamil Nadu BJP chief L. Murugan has said that Alagiri is welcomed in the BJP. Remember, Alagiri was removed from the DMK in 2014 after anti-party activities that he was being accused of and has ever since been out of politics. The move will be seen as a big challenge for the DMK, especially because Alagiri is a famous personality in the southern part of Tamil Nadu and ahead of the upcoming assembly elections in Tamil Nadu.
இல்ல ஒன்று நான் சொல்ல விருப்பப்படல. இப்போதைக்கு நான் எந்த முடிவும் எடுக்கல.
ஓகே.
அது நேற்று சும்மா ஒருத்தர் யாரும் தெரியாம தகவல் தான் கூட்டம் அது இதுன்னு தவறான ஒரு பேசுறத வச்சு மீடியால போட்டாங்களே தவிர அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கூட்டமும் ஒன்று போடல, ஒன்றும் எந்த முடிவும் எடுக்கல. எந்த முடிவு எடுத்தாலும் நான் என்னுடைய ஆதரவாளர்களை அழைத்து பேசிட்டு தான் முடிவு எடுப்பேன்.
சார், இப்போ பிஜேபி தலைவர் முருகன் நீங்க அவங்களோட இணையறதா இருந்தா நாங்க உங்களுக்கு ஆதரவு தருவோம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்காரு.
அவர் சொன்ன கருத்துக்கு நான் மகிழ்ச்சியை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் அவர் அவருடைய சொந்த கருத்தை அவர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு.
No, see, I didn't receive any official communication or I didn't spoke with Mr. Alagiri also. I don't know anything. If he comes, see, we are open. So many persons are joining in our party. If he comes, he wants to join our party, we are welcome. We are ready to welcome to him.
No, anyone can start their own political party. It is a right. So why not Mr. Alagiri? He has been a central minister. He is son of Mr. Karunanidhi. But what do we have? We have got to do with it. If he wants to start a political party, yes, he can start. But if he wants to join BJP, he is most welcome. He is a powerful person, and particularly in down south, of Tamil Nadu, he is a very strong personality. He has got a huge followers. So, starting a political party, anyone, they are welcome. Coming to BJP also, they are welcome.
Cutting across to Akshaya now joining us live for more. Akshaya, here Alagiri all set to jump into politics again with a new political party. More likely that he's launching one ahead of the Tamil Nadu polls. And him due to be meeting with Amit Shah. That has come as a huge speculation. What does it really speak of? And what are the political reactions coming in Tamil Nadu now?
Well, Nabila, Alagiri has denied knowledge of any meeting with Amit Shah. He said that there is no plan as of yet. And he's also said that if he's launching a political party, well, he will have a discussion with his supporter base, and all those people who are close to Kalangir will be consulted before Alagiri takes a step like that. So at this point of time, what we understand is that Alagiri's next move is all uncertain, and he's keeping his cards close to his chest. But close sources have been saying that he's been having a very serious thought about it. In fact, even after 2014 and 2018, soon after the demise of former DMK chief Karunanidhi, we had seen that Alagiri had demanded that he be taken back into the party and that he will be able to bring more glory to the party. These were his statements back then. And now we are seeing that ahead of the 2021 state assembly election, which is a very, very crucial elections for the DMK, Nabila, because we need to remember for the last 2 terms, the DMK has been only an opposition party and have not been able to be in power. So this is a very crucial election, and this is the election where both ADMK and DMK are to contest without their supremos Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi. And any kind of a new entrant into that arena will be seen as a threat or a challenge and a potential person who has the ability to divide votes. And especially taking into consideration that MK Alagiri holds a very strong appeal amongst the people in Madurai and down south.
Right.
DMK will have to look at this very keenly and crucially.
Right,
Nabila.
Akshaya, thank you very much for joining us. Let's see what happens ahead of...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.